Join us in a playful journey, guided by the light of friendly. Stay with us and watch. You will love it.
Is the same elementary matter susceptible of undergoing all possible modifications and of acquiring all possible qualities? Yes, and it is, this fact which is implied in the saying that everything is in everything. Superscript 1 oxygen, hydrogen, azote, carbon, and all the other bodies which we regard as simple, are only modifications of one primitive substance. But the impossibility, in which we have hitherto found ourselves, of arriving at this primitive matter otherwise than as an intellectual deduction, causes these bodies to appear to us to be really elementary, and we may, therefore, without impropriety, continue for the present to regard them as such. Does not this theory appear to bear out the opinion of those who admit only two essential properties in matter, viz., force and movement, and who regard all the other properties of matter as being merely secondary effects of these, varying according to the intensity of the force and the direction of the movement? That opinion is correct, but you must also add, according to the mode of molecular arrangement, as you see exemplified, for instance, in an opaque body, that may become transparent, and vice versa.
So next time you ponder the universe, remember, behind every effect, there's always a cause waiting to be discovered. Stay curious, my friends.